lost in night, in the wood, shadows fight. Don't take gold, can't take flight. Power's gone, nothing's right. Cauldron cold, no more fire. Potions fail, dreams expire. Spirits whisper, call me liar. In the dark, lost desire. Purchase card, echo loud. Through the fog, through the shroud. Mystic force, once so proud, now just whispers in the crowd.
Babalan TV.
Hello Pisces, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for March the 8th to March the 14th reading. Ayan, para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto nyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, dun po yan sa ating kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. No, yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. So, kung hindi po kayo makaresonate dito, baka nandun po ang inyong readings, no? Meron din po tayong ibang readings doon. You might want to check the playlist. And huwag po kayong matakot, no, na sumali sa ating live sessions dahil friendly naman po ang community. So, I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate with the entire reading, or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. So, Pisces, lately parang sinasabi mo, parang itong energy na ito is either gusto nating iwan or iniwan tayo. We feel alone, no, in this journey. We will do some finances reading, career or work, of course, romance and every aspect of romantic, no? Nandyan yung in relationship, sa single and pwedeng no label, no? I feel like itong energy na ito, parang sinasabi na, or sinasabi mo ngayon, kailan ko ba uli mahahawakan, mafe-feel something in this 3D, no? That you want to experience. Probably you can hear, taste, smell, touch, no? Now with the Three of Swords. So chances are nagkaroon tayo dito ng pagkakataon, ma-experience ang isang bagay, but then again, sabihin nating lumayo, nawala, no? Kung finances ito, siguro nakahawak na tayo ng isang malaking pera. Either mali nating nagamit or napahiram natin, or nawala talaga, like in literal form, no? Kung career or job naman ito, siguro meron tayong pinagsisisihan na meron tayong mga nagawang bagay sa isang company, no, na sana pala mas pinagbuti natin na nandoon tayo nakistay, and then chances are nandito tayo sa situation na pwede ba akong bumalik, no? Bakit parang feeling ko dito yung iba sa inyo, hindi naman lahat, okay, general reading. Yung iba sa inyo, parang sinabi siguro sa sarili nila na kung maibabalik ko lang yung time, sana hindi ko na nagawa or ginawa, no, itong mga sitwasyon, yung mga bagay na nagawa ko. Ngayon parang mas gusto ko sanang kung bibigyan ng pagkakataon, no, manatili at galingan, no, bigyan ng isa pang pagkakataon. Now, if this is romance, so ang nakikita natin dito, either ikaw ang nakipaghiwalay or siya ang nakipaghiwalay, no? For singles, I believe that you have been single for a little while, no? Kung wala namang label itong relationship na ito, I feel like yung person na crush mo, or yung meron kang pagtingin, no? Meron ng iba. Ayan, medyo masakit. With the Two of Swords, dahil nga ito sa pag-separate ninyo, no, ng energy na ito. With the Strength card, sabihin natin, meron tayong gustong gawin, pero ayaw nating pang simulan dahil baka meron tayong fear of rejection, no? Again, kung finances ito, baka kasi eto na lang kung ano yung hawak mo ngayon, no? Eto na lang ang iyong natitira or iniipon pa. Gusto mo sanang simulan, no? Kung business ito, gusto mo sanang ipunin pa, kaso kailangan talagang galawin sa mga bagay-bagay, no? Yung mga expenses. Um, kung career naman ito, so parang hindi pa natin ma-achieve sa ngayon kung ano man itong goal natin. Ito yung nararamdaman natin sa ngayon, ha? With the career or the job related, siguro gusto mong bumalik, no? Kaso baka mamaya nandun pa yung records natin or baka kung meron man tayo sa trabaho na um, ina-applyan, nagkaroon tayo ng memo, no? So, kailangan natin burahin yan either 3 months, 6 months, or 1 year. Nagkaroon ng opportunity, gusto mong pumasok, yun lang, nasagasaan itong, um, kumbaga, memo mo, no? So, parang nanghihinayang ka, sana hindi ko na lang nagawa itong mga bagay, no? Kung romantic naman ito, baka meron ding fear of rejection, no? Na kapag ako pa ang nag-reach out, feeling ko hindi naman sasagutin, no? Kung ako ang magte-text o mag-call, baka mapahiya ako, masaktan ako, no? Dun sa mga singles or no label, no? I believe na kung single naman, either ayaw pa mag-move forward, baka lang dito is in the surface, it looks like, yeah, I hang out with friends, no? Pero deep inside, siya pa rin talaga yung nasa puso ko, whether it is conscious or subconsciously. No, kung no label naman, so far masakit na nagmumukmok sa isang tabi, medyo umiiyak-iyak dahil wala tayong magawa, no? No label na nga. So nagkaroon ng separations, whether this is physical or energetic. So sa mga bago, ano po yung physical separation? Physical separation, ito yung self-explanatory, physical kayong hindi magkasama, no? Energetic, ito po yung pwedeng nakikita man kayo sa isang trabaho, kahit sa loob ng isang bahay, no? Sa kalye, sa school. Hindi naman kayo nag-uusap. So, meron kayong physical na pagkikita, pero energetically, parang may gap talaga, no? With the Seven of Wands, what you're trying to do in here is to play it cool, no? Siguro this is also your way na para sabihin na kaya ko to, no? Or I'm setting everything aside. One thing's for sure, pwedeng pag tinatanong tayo ng friends natin, I'm okay, no? I'm happy, no? So with the finances, sabihin natin, ipinapakita pa rin natin sa mga tao, no, na kinakaya natin, pero deep inside, meron tayong mga pagsisisi. When it comes to the career, medyo we play a bit, parang gino-joke-joke na lang natin. Pero deep inside, medyo masakit talaga itong hindi natin pagkuha, no, nitong manifestations na ito. When it comes to romance, I feel like siguro nga you're playing it cool, pero pagdating sa kwarto, no, sinasarili natin at dun tayo umiiyak. Now, with the Ten of Wands, hirap na hirap tayong makuha, makapag-move forward. I feel like for a few numbers of you, meron ditong sleepless nights to a point wherein, mabigat na sa loob dahil, kumbaga, ayun na siya, no? Nandiyan na itong energy na ito. Kumbaga, lumipad ito sa ating palad. With the Star, what's cooking in here is, wow, there's something more na medyo hindi mo pa nakikita kasi nga, niluluto pa lang ito sa universe, no? The Star, it's something that probably na ma-achieve mo uli or higit pa. Kasi with the Star in here, you will be placed in a pedestal, no? Ito yung mga bagay na hindi pa natin nakikita. With the Page of Cups, siguro ito yung part na wini-wish mo, no? So far, siguro nandito tayo sa research, no? Something online that you are looking at to gain this energy back. And with the World card, napakaganda dahil parang matatapos, no, itong sakit, paghihirap, suffering, challenges. And I feel like magsisimula tayo ulit with the full card kasi the world card is um the world card is the end of the major arcana, no? So babalik siya sa zero, which is the full card. So this is the full transition, and I feel like nandun kasi sa dulo nitong sufferings na nararanasan mo ngayon. So with the Two of Swords and the Eight of Wands, so ito yung iniiwasan mo, either having a conversation with the person or having a connection or asking for this energy again. If this is romantic, of course this is a person, no? Kung finances, this is a thing, an event, a career and a job, also a thing or an event, di ba? So ayoko namang mag-reach out, no, so far, dahil baka mamaya nga nandun pa yung aking fear of rejection, no? So I'm keeping my silence with the Strength card. Now, with the Ace of Swords in here, ang nakikita natin dito is siguro magandang way na rin itong pananahimik natin. We didn't talk about this. Ang maganda kasi minsan sa hindi pagsasalita, no? About what you are going through is first, pwedeng wala kang nasasabi, no? Dito sa energy na ito, whether this is a person, event, place, what have you, no? Dahil nga, wala, ayaw mong sabihin, ayaw mong kumbaga ikalat yung nararamdaman mo. Chances are, baka kasi kapag nadala tayo ng emotion, which is very Pisces emotional, no? So parang sasabihin natin, at one point in time, baka makapagbitaw tayo ng salita, hindi natin mabawi. So with the Seven of Wands and the Page of Swords, so you're trying, no, your best, let's say, how to deal with this. And I feel like there is an agreement with you na itong promise na ito is a promise to yourself, no, na hindi ako bibitaw, kukunin ko uli, no, or hihigitan pa. So dito nanggagaling ang will natin na ito ang makukuha natin with the world card and the star. And napaka-aligned ng world card and ng star, no? So parang ito yung foreseeable outcome and ito yung something cooking. Now, with the Page of Swords, this is an agreement to yourself na kahit anong mangyari, no? Pwedeng bumagal, bumilis, it doesn't matter, no? Ang pagkuha mo. What you are wanting in here is ma-achieve lang siya, no? Pwedeng by all means, pero tingnan natin, no, kung by hook or by crook with the King of Cups and the Lovers, I think na magkakaroon ng opportunity dito to regain, again, the finances, kung ito ay pera, kung reading mo kung ang hinahanap mo sa reading na ito ay financial reading, no, magkakaroon ng opportunity. I think meron tutulong, no, whether this is a new company, whether this is a new person that will give you an opportunity to get back what you've lost, no? Kung career or job related ito, I feel like meron tutulong, let's say, magbubukas din ng opportunity for you to get this manifestations. And I think that this is yung simula, no? For those who are, sabihin natin, in a relationship, whether marriage or just living together, or yung wala pa naman dun sa live-in, wala pa din dun sa marriage, wala pa din dun sa proposal, I feel like you met your person already. Ito yata yung, especially dun sa mga kasal, no? Nagkaroon na kayo ng pangako sa isa't isa. Sa mga nagli-live-in din, I think that you have a lot of dreams, no? So meron lang talagang challenges na nangyari. That's why meron kayong separations lately. Ngayon, kung single naman, ito ang medyo single and no label, no? Medyo hindi ka ba nagtataka bakit parang feeling mo, kilala mo itong person na ito kahit na it doesn't matter kung ngayon lang kayo nagkakilala, pero there's something or matagal na, no? Isipin mo nung mga time na hindi siguro siya humihingi ng mga tulong, no? Um, Nandun ka para sa kanya and alam mo kung ano yung kailangan niya. There are times siguro na iniisip mo din itong taong ito, tapos bigla na lang tatawag, magme-message, no? Parang meron talaga kayong connection. And that is because you might be dealing or connecting with someone that you have um, a spiritual connection with. They call it twin flames, no? Or it could be, just your soul family, no? So that's why nagkakaintindihan kayo. Sometimes nagkakatitigan lang kayo. Bigla kayong magtatawanan, no? Pinapaalala ko talaga. Bigla kayong magtatawanan kasi parang naiintindihan niyo yung isa't isa. Now, with the 10 of Wands in here, eto ngayon yung sarili mo. Medyo hirap na hirap tayo. And I just said na baka meron kayong sleepless night. Ito na nga, no? Sleepless nights and baka meron kayong insomnia na, no? Iba-iba na yung sleep pattern ninyo. I feel like madaming tumatakbo sa isip ninyo because of you're going through someone or something, no, na unknown, which is yung everyday. The star in here and the Knight of Swords. So I feel like mabilis ang pangyayaring ito, no? At mabilis mo ring or mabilis ang pangyayari for you to bounce back, if I may say, no? With the once na pumasok na itong help or itong reaching out of this person with the High Priestess, you know that you can, no? Alam na alam mo na magkakaroon kayo ng kung relationship, magkakaroon kayo ng reconciliation, no? Kung finances, alam na alam mo na mami-meet mo uli, no, itong amount of money and hihigitan mo pa if nagkataon kasi nga you've learned, no? Kung ito ay career, I feel like maa-achieve mo naman siya or again, mahihigitan pa, no? Kung ano man itong ina-achieve natin. So the world card, this is the change of everything. We're in, nandito na tayo sa part na nagsisimula ng umikot, no? Ang mundo, no? Ganun talaga ang buhay, minsan nasa taas, minsan nasa baba. So I feel like ito na ang simula na talagang pagbabago and I feel like napaka-consistent natin dito sa March. Itong past readings natin. Kung hindi nyo pa na-view or napapanood or kung gusto nyong i-review, no, ililink ko dun sa end ng video. Kasi parang consistent tayo no? Yung energy hindi siya nagbabago. Kasi hodang medyo hindi maganda yung simula ng reading. At the end, yun pa rin, dun pa rin tayo bumabagsak sa malaking pagbabago, no? Yung biglaang blessings, yung mga almost as if na parang feeling natin walang-wala na, nandun yung bawi sa dulo. Bidang-bida naman tayo. Probably it is your gift to the universe dahil birthday mo, no? So, let's check some more cards. Again, gusto ko lang pong ipaalala na dun po sa kabilang channel na Babaylan TV, nagla-live po tayo, ha? So, kung hindi nyo po maabutan yung live sessions, pwede naman po kayo magtanong dito as long as the question po is answerable by yes or no. Pero kung hindi po kayo papatulugin ng yes or no na sagot lang, dumiretso na po kayo dun sa ating website. No, there is a link sa description box po ng video na ito. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung information, nandun po yung question form, QR code, name, amount per question. Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 kasi discounted po yun. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. No? So, let's check some more cards here. I can't right now. So, I think that this is the energy. Probably sinasabi niya, kung meron tayong hinahabol, kung nagmamadali tayo, not right now. So, which means possibly bukas, in the not so distant future, or in the future, no? Pero this doesn't mean na hindi mo na siya makukuha kasi magkaiba na I can't, pero kasi merong not right now. So I believe that we are waiting for the divine timing, especially for romantic, no? So probably this is not yet the specific time, but very, very soon. Katulad ng sinabi ko, umiikot na siya. Kumbaga sa engine, no? Pinapainit na natin yung makina, no? Ni-start na natin. Let's get a message from the universe. If it's meant to be, it will be. You won't have to force, convince, or worry over it. Let it flow, let it be, and let it come to you. You are attracting everything you need. Trust the timing of your life. Very enlightened dito sa reading, which is yung sinasabi ng reading, no? Probably not right now, pero it doesn't mean na hindi mo ma-achieve. Kung ano ang meant to happen, needs to happen. Wala tayong force na gagawin, no? Hindi natin pwede din convincehin itong person na ito or mag-worry, no? Kasi nga, mangyayari at mangyayari in divine timing. Let it flow, let it be. So which means pakawalan na natin it because sometimes, no, pakawalan itong wanting. Kasi ang manifestations nangyayari yan kapag yung flow wala doon sa, kasi I think the wanting drags the energy down and weighs it. Probably that's the reason why it can't happen as of the moment. So the more na medyo baluwag tayo sa pagtanggap na ito na naparating na, no, I feel like the flow will be a little faster and you're attracting everything you need. So trust the timing of your life. One thing's for sure, one thing is certain, ina-assure tayo ng universe na trust the divine timing, nangyari na, no? Nangyari na. All you just need to do is for you to wait for it to happen in this 3D, but somewhere in the alternate universe, things already happened. So let's check the zodiac sign for those who are in romantic reading, no? Sagittarius, Leo, Pisces, Aquarius, Gemini, Scorpio. Yeah. Yep. Yep. Yeah, so yan ang iyong reading. Love and light to you. Taurus. I forgot. Love and light to you. Namaste. And see you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.
You want the